Welcome to Male Yoga in 10 minutes. We're starting right off. Feel free to join. Bring your hands together, pushing through the mounts of the fingers. Feel how the mounts of the fingers are connected to each other. The mounts of the fingers are below your fingers. Good. Push them into each other. Feel how the wrist is connected and focus on your breath. Breathing in deep into your belly, into your chest. Expand your chest in all the different directions, to the right, to the left, to the back, to the front. Breathing in deep, pushing in together and release again. Pushing in together and release again as you breathe out. Inhale again, push in and exhale, release again. One more time, your time. And slowly release. We're coming right now to the floor, to Chaturangha. So bring your hands forward, bring your feet a little bit back, tuck your toes in, shift yourself to Chaturangha slowly. So first plank pose, then let yourself down, elbows by your side, 90 degrees, pushing through the mounts of the fingers into the ground. And we're staying here as long as you can. Not as long as you can, but for a minute. Stay here, breathe in deep, feel your body maybe shaking a little. Focus on your breath. You're doing great, keep it up. Have your heels over the toes. Come on, keep on going, just a little bit longer. Great job. Slowly push yourself to the back, shift your hips up into the sky, coming into a downward facing dog here. Move your downward facing dog a little. Move up and down with your heels. Walk your heels. Walk your dog. Good job. And we're picking the right leg up, extending the right leg up. Bring the hips over each other and bring your leg around, lifting one arm up, coming into wild thing. Good job. We're opening the chest up to the sky if you can. Look towards your hand and then bring it back. Come around and keep your leg up in the air and coming into a side plank here, lifting your other arm up into the sky. Get long, balance. And coming back into the middle. Place your leg down and other leg up. We're cycling right now, right here. You know how it's going. Lift your other leg up. Then bring it over. Coming into wild thing. Again, opening your chest up to the sky. Extend your arm. Breathe in deep. And bring it around again. Keep your leg up, coming into a side plank position. Extend your arm up. Great job. And bring it around again. We now place your leg down on the floor and we're cycling right here, right now. So change the side, other side. Bring your leg up. Hips are staggered. And wild thing. Open your chest up, look towards your hand, and come around again, change the side. Great. Bring the leg under, side plank. Breathe deep, and bring around again, step down. Come up with your right leg again, bring it around, stagger your hips. Place your right leg down, and we're in wild thing again. Open your chest up, get longer from your hips to your hand. Look to your hand and come back around again. Keep your leg up. Come into side plank, stretch, get long from hand to hand. Push your hips up into the sky as much as you can. And step back down, slowly come back down. Other side up, left leg up. And you know the deal. Coming to stagger around. Wild thing, get long, breathing in deep, focus on your breath. And turn around, bring the left leg up, keep your hips up, get long from hand to hand. Put your left leg down on the floor, come into downward facing dog, pick your right leg up, bring it around, wild thing. From there, bring it around, side plank. Come back into downward facing dog, pick up your other leg, bring it around, wild thing. Bring it around, side plank, and step down again. From here, shift yourself to the back, bring your knees to the sides, big toes together, come forward and down, bring your shoulders a little bit away from your ears, forward, push your butt to the back, breathe in deep. Great job. From here, shift yourself back up, and we're coming back into the flow. Bring your right leg up, turn around, wild thing, and long, long, long. Open your chest up, bring it around, have your legs still up, reach up into the sky, and from there, bring it around again, step down, bring your left leg up, around, and let your left leg down, turn it around, side plank. Good, slowly coming down, back into downward facing dog, and again, right leg, up and over, reach up, wild thing, open up your chest towards the sky, get long, from your hips to your hand, and then turn yourself around again, have your right leg still up, side plank, stepping down, and change the side again. You know what to do. Continue here. Left leg up, wild thing, turn yourself around, keep your hips up, get long into side plank, and again changing the side in your time. How fast can you go? How fast can you go, and how deep can you make the movements? Good. Continue here. One more time, 2 more times maybe. Maybe even more, however fast you can do it. However slow and deep you want to do it. You're doing great, keep it up. Amazing, and slowly come back wherever you are. Reach up. Take some deep breaths in and out. Coming forward into Chaturangha again. So plank position. Keep your elbows or your arms next to your body. Coming forward and down. Keep your elbows in. Get long from your feet to the top of the head. Your head is an extension of the spine. Keep going. You can do this. Breathe deep, your belly into your chest. Keep your belly and your chest engaged. Your arms push into the floor. Maybe push the hands toward the feet and the feet towards the hand. We are almost done here. Keep on going. 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come and rest down on your belly. Let yourself down completely. Bring your arms by your sides. Your palms are pointed towards the floor. Feet are facing either outward or inward. Doesn't really matter. Breathing in deep into your belly, into your chest. And just be here. We are just being here to come out and let go of this yoga lesson today. Coming back to your body. Coming back to your life. Just be. Just be. Wonderful. Slowly shift yourself to one side and come up, maybe to a sit. Coming back. If you like to check out another yoga lesson, feel free to do that right now. Otherwise, I wish you a wonderful rest of the day, and I hope to see you very, very soon.